Hey, what's up, traders? It's December 21st, 2020, and hopefully you checked out my weekly outlook video yesterday, and I was talking about the pound, big reversals coming for GBPUSD and GBPJPY, bounce in the dollar index, and all that stuff happened in a big way. So let's take a look at those and see what we might have for the pound for the rest of the week. A lot of movement coming on for the pound, and I think it's just going to be a lot of opportunity out there in the market. So what I am looking for specifically is now to put myself into a situation to where I'm selling into pound strength. So in other words, hopefully we get some sort of pound strength coming through, and some sort of bounce that happens in conjunction with the moves that previously went down. And this is a great setup here. It just looks like a continuation of this channel. I'm going to leave it how I previously had it though. And so this is a false breakdown that I talked about in the video yesterday. And I said, wow, okay, so if we really break down below 135, that's going to be very bearish for the pound. And because that would be a confirmed false breakout. So false breakout leading to a breakdown, check, that happened. So we're gonna flag it out. That's my false move flag marker. And we have this huge market gap, right? So I am looking, I think this is going to be a great opportunity. If we make it that far, that'd be 134. 60, that's pretty ambitious, but this is where I'd be looking to get short here. I'm gonna put a little alert there for myself. Boom. And so what I'm looking for, if this does happen, which would be great, is just a move up to close that gap, which is gonna, I mean, things aren't getting better for the pound at all right now, right? So for the UK and really most parts of the world at this point. So this is what we're looking at now. So my thought process is, okay, cool. All right, so looking for a bounce here in the pound dollar. Where else could there be some high probability setups here? GBPJPY. This was a previous level. This is where we broke down from. So looking for these gaps to close. And this is what I do, right? I look for the high probability setups and then see where it correlates across the board. And it's super helpful to add alerts on your trading view. These are market gaps. They're going to get closed because there's open positions there with the banking cartels, right? So they want to get their money out of there. So like I said, with GU though, this looks pretty ambitious if we were to break down this low. But we have these 127% extensions down here, these are levels I talked about in the weekly outlook video. And this is what I'm aiming for. I think it seems entirely doable, especially with just the degree of not so great info coming out for the UK right now. So we tried to break down out of there, didn't quite materialize, but I think that the odds that we make another move there pretty high. But we'll just have to see. It is the pound, one Brexit headline. Even if that does happen, in fact, I'm hoping it does happen, because that would create the big move for me to sell into the pound strength for now. So pound CAD. Let's see, I looked at this in a different chart yesterday. So we had huge breakdown. You're in a nice triangle formation here. There it was. Still trading in it, and there's our false breakdown. Nice fib levels here. Complete breakdown off that 78.6. And you can see how we just tagged this 38.2. So like we are respecting these fibs very, very tightly. Now, sorry, there, had to get a little phone call. Now let's look a bit closer, right? So looking for moves higher here, some sort of rally to sell. You know, are we going to get back to the top of this trend line? Maybe not. Where are, look at 2 hour here. I really like to look at this market imbalance there with the IT candle. We set my ray. If we can get some sort of move back up here, next stop is the downside of that trend line. So long story short, as you can, this move has more or less been confirmed now, right? So you can go across the board, see where it fits with your own analysis. And that's the best way that I found to really take advantage of a huge breakdown, a huge market event, like, you know, the UK going into tier 4 lockdown. It's a big deal, very big deal, and is creating a huge opportunity in the market. So Christmas week, it's been pretty nuts so far. I hope y'all are having a good one. We still have a Christmas sale going on. Click the link below to check it out. 60% off lifetime Academy access and signals, trade setups, and whatever you need, I can help you get there, beginner, intermediate, advanced, or if you want to go on and get funded with outside capital, I can help you do that too. So click the link below, get started, and have an awesome Christmas week, everybody. Peace.